people walk like they're drunk, even when they're not drunk.
Yeah.
Like just how erratic. Just like, I'll just go this way. Actually not much of a lineup over there tonight.
No.
Which is strange. See, I thought he said tomorrow was 9 till 2, but on the ticket it's got 9, return at 3. Unless he means like you leave there at 2.
Yeah.
Otherwise I don't, yeah. Keep getting like stuck in a vortex.
Yeah.
Not winning today at all. So we're in here to go to Lila Bakery for dinner. I swear it gets busier as the day goes on. Another one there, 2 hours. Yeah. There's a lot of them around. Escalator shut. We'll go this way. I assume may have to take the elevator. Elevator or escalator?
Welcome to Queens Waikiki. My name is
That's the fried chicken, and it's a lot of fried chicken. Steak, shrimp.
That clam chowder didn't come out either.
Oh yeah, you thought that would have come out first, and then this is the best part. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
You ready to eat?
I've already started.
The chicken is like insane. That's a big bit of chicken.